You're taking a look at the all-new 2019 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. Man, this thing is stylish. Sharp, sculpted, dynamic design. Also, one of the most technologically advanced vehicles on the market. You can control most of it with your phone. Let's take this bad boy for a ride-along.
What's up?
Hello, Joe Eman.
How you doing?
How are you, laddie? Happy early St. Patrick's Day.
Matty McCoy in the house. I love how you're decked out in the green.
Man, I'm going to tell you what. I went all out for it. Out for it.
Even the socks.
Oh, yeah, the socks.
Stripes?
The socks are hot.
That is styling and profiling.
Really? Well, look, we're going to be in the all-new Mobile Mitsubishi Eclipse crossover, so I wanted to make sure.
How's that beard doing?
Yeah, I don't know how the Irish do this. I'm not used to the hair, period, on the head. So, no, the all-new Mobile Mitsubishi, 2909 Government Boulevard, Joe. More of a, I don't even want to call it a dealership. It's like more of a lifestyle place where you can go get a great deal on a good quality vehicle.
Well, and that's why we're so excited to have you guys on Studio 10, because you talked about the lifestyle. This is all about having fun. That's what Mitsubishi is all about.
Oh, absolutely.
That's what Mitsubishi Mobile is all about.
Yep.
So we wanted to incorporate some things like St. Patrick's Day.
Absolutely. Why not have the luck of the Irish? But you don't need it at Mobile Mitsubishi.
You don't need it. So tell us a little bit about that.
Like what we're driving in right now. This is the Eclipse crossover. This thing is the most technology advanced vehicle. You can do everything from an app on your phone. Start it, control the temperature, the radio, everything, right? Got 360-degree cameras on all angles here. The most technology of any vehicle on the road, and 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty.
Man, it is so cool, and you're getting all of this without paying a premium astronomical price.
Right, and a good quality vehicle for, let's say you wanted to get a new Mirage, they start out at $199, and that's, you own it. You know, that's not a lease, you own the vehicle.
You own the vehicle.
Right.
So hey, if you want to have some fun on St. Patty's Day, you want to go drive around, you can always take a test drive of one of these.
Right.
You know, who knows what you may run.
You might even see we're in Crichton, is that the leprechaun?
What?
Joe, pull over for a second. It is ride along. Maybe, I think he's up in the tree. I don't know. Somebody see the leprechaun, say hey! Joe!
You gotta be kidding.
We found where the gold is!
What?
We found where the gold is!
Where the gold is?
We got it!
Make it rain! Don't worry about it.
We found where the gold is!
Hey, and the goal is at
Mobile Mitsubishi 2909 Government Boulevard in Mobile. We can buy one of each, the Outlander, the Mirage, this beautiful Eclipse crossover. We can get one of each.
And if you can't make it out there, 471 Cars.
471 Cars to call, or if you want to check the inventory, you go to mobilemitsubishi.com.
Man, we got the luck of the Irish here.
Absolutely. We need to go to a pub or someplace and spend all the gold here.
Let's do it.
And then we found where the gold's at.
Happy St. Patty's Day,
Happy St. Patty's Day.